24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We work to ensure that Korea is safe from diseases. Amid unexpected crises, KDCA's mission is to protect people's lives. We remain ever vigilant. Robust, round-the-clock monitoring and clear communication with the public are essential for rapidly identifying and responding to infectious disease outbreaks. These efforts lay a strong foundation for advancing our response system, even in the face of crisis. To protect the public from identified infectious diseases, we build sustainable infectious disease preparedness and response systems. We are not fearful, even when faced with emerging infectious diseases. Rapid surveillance allows for an effective response to emerging infectious diseases and bioterrorism. From the moment life begins to the twilight years, KDCA is with you every step of the way. At every stage of life, we are unwavering in our efforts to reduce the burden of disease. These efforts continue to protect the health and well-being of people against all infectious diseases. With a holistic approach that recognizes the interconnection between people, animals, and the environment, we develop comprehensive systems for infectious disease prevention and control. We also ensure that everyone can receive vaccines under the National Immunization Program without financial burden, placing a special focus on protecting high-risk groups. As part of our mission, we guarantee the timely procurement and supply of vaccines, ensuring that vaccinations are administered when they are most needed. Antimicrobial resistance poses a significant threat to public health. We have established a rigorous management system to promote the appropriate use of antimicrobials and minimize the risk of infection among healthcare workers and patients through effective infection control measures. Reaching out to the world begins with advanced technologies. During a pandemic, timely initial responses based on analysis of infectious disease threats, combined with improved diagnostic accuracy, play a vital role. The key is the ability to respond swiftly and effectively to infectious diseases based on scientific evidence. We proactively predict and identify outbreaks and new variants of emerging infectious diseases at the earliest stages. Our responsibility in preparing for the future drives us to develop cutting-edge medical technologies using bio-big data. On our great journey to becoming a global leader in healthcare, KDCA is forging ahead, solidifying its role as a central hub in the global health agenda. We are strengthening global infectious disease networks, ensuring the world is better prepared for future pandemics. Public health is not ensured in just a single moment. It must be deeply woven into the fabric of everyday life. KDCA develops inclusive strategies to ensure that everyone, without exception, remains healthy. Through comprehensive local health surveys and analysis, we address health disparities between regions, striving for health equity across the nation. A long and healthy life. This should be the norm for everyone in Korea. With this goal in mind, we implement support programs to ease the burden on those living with rare diseases. And we conduct health and nutrition surveys that inform national health policies. We are committed to minimizing health damage caused by the climate crisis and other emerging threats. Our efforts are also focused on strengthening our ability to respond to newly identified diseases. In your daily life, there are always people behind the scenes who are working tirelessly around the clock to keep everyone healthy and safe. Who are dedicated to ensuring that Korea remains safe from diseases. We are the Korea Disease Control and Prevention Agency.